friends! I'm Tammy Tomato. Welcome to Veggie Town. Today, we're meeting all my veggie buddies. And I'm Corey Corn. Stick around, because we've got a big surprise at the end. Hello there! I'm Ellie Eggplant. Did you know I'm a great source of fiber? And I'm Sammy Squash. I'm super versatile. You can roast me, mash me, or turn me into soup. Yum! Don't forget me, Benny Broccoli. I'm here to keep you strong and full of energy. And I'm Bella Beetroot. Look at my beautiful purple color. I'm full of goodness for your heart. Hola! I'm Andy Avocado. I'm creamy, dreamy, and full of healthy fats for your brain. Hi! I'm Molly Mushroom. Did you know I'm a fungi? Hee hee! I'm Olivia Onion. I might make you cry when I'm cut, but I add so much flavor to your food. Hey, everyone! I'm Chloe Cucumber. I'm cool, crisp, and perfect for keeping you hydrated. Wow, what a team we have here! Thanks for watching.